everyone, Steve here from theturtlefollower.com, and in this video we're going to take a look at a quick trade in Amazon. Now, we had some success with a trade that we put on in Hasbro. That wasn't necessarily an earnings trade, but it did work out because ultimately today Hasbro announced earnings, all right, and it gapped up about 12.5%. We had kind of identified this trade back here in the beginning of April, around, if you can look back on the playlist, but I think it was either 4.6 or on 4.7. I'm not sure which date, but we did identify it right back here on this breakout over 63. Sure enough, today had earnings come out and gapped higher and just continued to run. So I don't really advocate buying before earnings. So take this Amazon trade with a grain of salt. But what I do like to see is a stock that comes right into its 50-day moving average and consolidates instead of actually pulling back. So here's what I'm looking at in Amazon. Basically some support right around 365, resistance around 387. All right, and it's breaking out to the upside. Now again, today is April 20th. On April 23rd, Amazon will report earnings after the bell. All right, so again, I'm not advocating necessarily buying this for an earnings trade. Just put it on your radar as a potential, depending on how the earnings come out. Maybe it doesn't really do much or not, but, again, just looking at it, breaking out right off the 50-day moving average. Nice high volume move today and a breakout over 387, because these high tech names, these high beta names, they can kind of go any way. It could go to the downside, to the upside, but it usually does it with some huge gaps. One of those particular examples is Netflix. All right, huge gap here, basically from where it closed right around 480 to opened at 530. So again, these high tech names, high beta names, really have some juice behind them usually. So just be careful, because it can always obviously go in the other direction. But again, Amazon looks good for a potential play. If it didn't have earnings, it would be right here, right now. Because it has earnings, just follow your plan for trading before earnings and go ahead and take a look at Amazon. So that's it for tonight. Thank you very much for watching. If this is your first time joining us, please take a moment, go up to the top of the page, insert your email address right in that orange box, and you'll get on the newsletter, and you'll receive all future updates, video updates, trade updates, stock market outlook videos sent directly to your inbox, and you'll never have to miss another one. So definitely head on over there, put that email address in the top, and until we have another trade update, have a great week. Take care.